Very good morning to one and all. Myself, Hemant Kalaradya KE from HP Creations Civil Tech. And now I am going to introduce the complex analysis probability and statistical method, which is fourth semester subject of M4. Okay, and this course code is 18 Math 41. Okay, and we have module 1, that is calculus of complex functions. Let's see syllabus of this module 1 and review of function of a complex variable and limits and continuity and differentiability. Analytic functions ಅಲ್ಲಿ we have two equations: Cauchy Riemann equation in Cartesian form and polar form. Okay, and consequences. Okay, construction of analytic function by Milan Thomas method. We have numerical problems on this Milan Thomas method and Cartesian's polar form Cauchy Riemann equation problems. Okay, and let's see what's the calculus of complex variable. This is module 1 in mathematics 4. Okay, what is calculus of complex variable? We have a x comma y are the two real values, then the number or variable z is equals to x plus iy. It is called complex variable or a complex number. Okay, and where the first part of z is called a real part and second part is called a imaginary part, and both x and y are the real values. We know that z is equals to x plus iy is main part of this module. Okay, and is a z plus z is equals to x plus iy is a complex number in the Cartesian form and its conjugate complex. We know that what is conjugate is nothing but changing sign. Okay, z is equals to x minus iy and z model of z is equals to root of x square plus y square. Okay, and second part is geometrical representations. We have a two coordinates x and y, and 0 0 a coordinate o at 0 0 and p point p at x comma y. Okay, let ox bar comma oy bar, ox bar and oy bar is the real and imaginary axis. Let p at P be any point on the plane and M be the foot of the perpendicular of the P on the real axis. Let theta be the angle between the OP and OX. We see here P point this is and O it is, and we have a theta. Okay, theta about this, and we have a distance O to P is R. Okay, and perpendicular distance is y. Okay, and horizontal distance is x. Okay, and real axis, let theta be the angle between the OP and OX. See here OP and OX, here OP and OX theta. Okay, we have theta about this. Okay, and let then from right angle triangle OPM, see here right angle triangle OPM, here right angle triangle OPM. Okay, and see we can return as apply sin theta is equals to, we know that opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, opposite, which is opposite is y. okay, and hypotenuse is r, okay, and then we want I, no I, sorry, y, okay, y is equals to, let's interchange or r send to numerator about left hand side, and y is equals to r into sin theta. See here, this is main, okay, and let I have cos theta. Cos theta is equals to what? Cos theta is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. We have adjacent side, which is adjacent. Adjacent is nothing but this. Adjacent, we what have? We have x. X divided by hypotenuse is r. Therefore, cos theta is equals to x by r. X by r, and x is equals to r cos theta. Let substitute the above complex variable z is equals to x plus iy. We have a standard form, z is equals to x plus I. Let's substitute, we'll get a polar form variable, complex variable, okay, and just substitute x is equals to what? R cos theta. Let's substitute plus I constant, and r y is nothing but r sin theta, okay. Let's substitute and take outside r, and remaining part is cos theta plus I sin theta. Then we know that, what? Cos theta e to the power of I theta is equals to cos theta plus I sin theta. We have a standard formula, okay, and therefore z is equals to r into e to the power of I theta. This is nothing but a complex variable in a polar form, okay. Let we have a complex valued functions. Suppose there are some valid functions is there, no? See here, suppose u of x comma y and v of x comma y be the two real functions in the variable x and y, okay, and then the complex valued function in the Cartesian form can be defined as, see here, the Cartesian form is here, what it is, w is equals to, w is also written as f of z. It is equals to u of x comma y plus iv of x comma y. It is also written as u of u plus iv form, okay. So it is used in uh, it is, let's see, in problems. It will more important in problems. Let's problem, we have problems given, is f of z is equals to something, or w is equals to something, okay, and you written as w is equals to u plus iv, or f of z is equals to u plus iv. Let's substitute that, okay. Suppose it is only a Cartesian form. Let we have another form. What is that? Polar form. So you can see here. Suppose u of r comma theta, okay, and v of r comma theta be the two real functions in the variable of r and theta. Then the complex valued function in the polar form can be defined as w is equals to f of z is equals to u into r theta plus iv into r theta, okay. That is, what is it is, it is Cartesian form, and this is polar form. Main, these are the main two constants for problems, making problems. We have two results here, nothing but just examples, and uh, let's see that. We know that e to the power of ix is equals to cos x plus I sin x. Already I told you, e to the power of I theta is equals to cos theta plus I sin theta. Here theta will substitute by x, okay. So this is equation 1, and take it, e to the power of I minus ix. There is no changes, only a sign will change, minus, okay. This is equation 2, okay. And see here, from equation 1 and 2, add that, what will we get? e to the power ix, LHS we have e to the power of ix plus e to the power of I minus ix. Okay, is equals to, see here, right hand side will be I sin x plus I sin x minus I sin x will be cancelled, and only the thing is cos x plus cos x will be there. Hence, cos x plus cos x is nothing but 2 cos x. Okay, and cos x is equals to, only we have only we want cos x only. Cos x is equals to e to the power of ix plus e to the power of ix divided by 2. It will call as a equation 3. Okay, and see here, one equation is added and another one is subtracted. One equation 1 subtract, then 2, e to the power of ix minus e to the power of minus ix. Okay, and see here, will minus will there, and is equals to 2 I sin x. What will here done? Just simple, and cos x and I sin x plus I sin x is there. Cos x minus cos x will be cancelled. Only plus 2 I sin x will be there. Okay, 2 I sin x. We want sin x only. Sin x is equals to e to the power of ix minus e to the power of minus ix divided by 2i. We will get equation 4. Okay, let we have a equation 3. What is this? Cos x is equals to e to the power of ix plus e to the power of ix and divided by 2. We take it, let's substitute, just I will be take outside. E to the cos ix is equals to e to the power of I2x plus e to the power of I2x divided by 2. Okay, then e to the power of minus ix plus e to the power of x divided by x. Therefore, cos ix is equals to cos hx. This is the main concept. Okay, let we have equation 4 and take it, and sin ix, just substitute. We have what it is, x will nothing but this is ix, just substitute that. Okay, sin ix is equals to e to the power of I2x minus e to the power of I2x divided by 2i. Take 2 outside, e to the power of minus x minus e to the power of x divided by 2i. Take outside minus, minus into e to the power of x minus e to the power of minus x divided by 2i. Okay, and see here, we'll have I square. Minus 1 is nothing but, we know that I square is equals to minus 1. So we don't have anything here, only minus. So we know that there is no nothing but we have 1. Okay, minus 1 is nothing but I square. Just cancel I and I square, only 1 I. Okay, and then we have only I into e to the power of x minus e to the power of ix divided x divided by 2. Let we know that e to the power of x minus e to the power of x divided by 2. See here what it is here, equation 4. Just we have a formula standard. Okay, and sin ix is equals to I sin hyperbolic x. We have two standard formulas, just derivations. Okay, and some definitions are there. Okay, that is not important. Okay, but analytic functions, next is analytic functions. Okay, let's w is equals to f of z be the complex valued function, and it is said to be an analytic function when w is equals to f of z to be differentiable at any point of z. Okay, and that is f dash of z is equals to dw divided by dz. It's nothing but one time differentiation. Okay, and limit fz, ಅಂದ್ರೆ it's nothing but dou z is equal dou z tends to 0 and f of z plus dou z minus f of z divided by dou z. Okay, and dou z not equal to 0, and it is called a regular or holomorphic functions. Analytic function is also called as regular function or a holomorphic functions. In exams, ask just it's prove that it's an given equation is analytic function or holomorphic functions or regular functions. We need to answer only this. Okay, and we need to find that. That is nothing, don't worry to about that. That is only analytic function. Okay, and we have two theorems. Okay, about analytic functions. One is Cauchy remains equation in a Cartesian form. Okay, it is also it is also called as CR equation. Okay, and what is another form is we have two forms, Cartesian form and polar form. So only a Cartesian form we now we are deriving that. What it states, the necessary condition that that the function w is equals to f of z is equals to u of x comma y plus iv x comma y is equals to u plus iv. Already we said this. Okay, we shared no, already it is said you. Maybe analytic at any point z is equals to what, z is equals to x plus iy. Okay, is that there exist four conditions. First order partial differentiation, we have a four conditions. What is it is partial differentiation. Okay, both are partial differentiation with respect to x and y. Okay, we have a two conditions. What it is, u and v are the values variables, and let differentiate with respect to x and y by partially dou u by dou x comma dou u by dou y. Okay, and dou v by dou x comma dou v by dou y can be satisfied. The given equation is dou u by dou x is equals to dou v by dou y, and dou v by dou x is equals to minus dou u by dou x. This is the main for this consideration. What we need to find this in this formula, uh, this is main important, and this is used for making problems and solving problems. It is also written as uh, dou ux dou ux dou ux is equals to dou vy. Okay, and dou vx is nothing but dou vx is equals to minus dou uy. Okay, let prove that. What we have proved, given w of f of z. Okay, w of f of z is equals to u of x comma y plus iv x comma y. Okay, this is equation 1, and is a complex valued function is in the Cartesian form. For the complex variable z is equals to x plus iy, this is a Cartesian form. Okay, and what we'll get, we have take equation 1. Okay, just substitute z is equals to x plus iy, and we are substitute here. F of z is nothing but f of x plus iy is equals to u of x comma y plus iv x comma y is it is called as equation 2. And given w is equals to f of z is analytic function. Let given w is nothing but this equation is nothing but analytic function. A differentiate equation 2 equation 2 with respect to x. We know that how to differentiate with respect to x partially. Okay, and equation 2 became f dash of x plus iy is nothing but differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 plus iy is constant. Remaining thing is only 1. 1 is equals to differentiate what will get this dou u by dou x plus I into I is constant I into dou v by dou x. Okay, this is nothing but equation 3. Okay, equation 3, and differentiate equation 2 with respect to y. Already we are done equation 2 in with respect to x partially, and here y partially differentiate. Okay, and f dash of x plus iy is nothing but what, x will constant, so it will get 0, plus I is constant, y is nothing but 1, I into 1 is 1, I. Okay, therefore I is equals to dou u by dou y plus I into dou v by dou y. Therefore uh, let uh, send I to what denominator, and let's see here what will we have send after it will get 1 divided by I. Okay, 1 divided by I, and dou u by dou y plus I into dou v by dou y. Take outside I and both side, what will we get, I divided by uh, I square. How it will become, we have here 1 by I, and here I take outside, already we have 1 by I into I is I square, I divided by I square. What is the I square value is minus 1. Okay, and take it is minus 1 minus I, it will become minus I, and minus I into dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou y. Let uh, it will substitute f dash of x plus iy is equals to dou v by dou y minus I into dou u by dou y. Just interchange by sign. Okay, and this is called as equation 4. And see here, from equation 3 and 4, what will we have equation 3? Equation 3 we have here only, what it will, f dash of x plus iy is equals to dou u by dou x plus I dou u by dou x. Here equation 4, and let equation from 3 and 4 will get dou u by dou x plus I into dou v by dou x is equals to dou v by dou x dou y minus I into dou u by dou y. We need to calculate what we want, only this equation. What will happen, let interchange dou u by dou x is equals to dou v by dou y, and see here, take I will and I cancelled, and dou v by dou x is equals to dou u by dou x. It is also written as dou u x is equals to dou vy, and dou vx is equals to minus dou vy. This is an Cartesian form, CR equation of Cartesian form. Okay, and see here, Cartesian Cauchy-Riemann equation in a polar form. We have completed a Cartesian form, and another one is polar form. See here, what it is states, if W is equals to f of z, and u is equals to u of x comma theta, and iv r into theta is an analytic function. At z is equals to r into e to the power of I theta. Already we are calculate calculate that what it is. Z is equals to e to the power of I theta. Then there exist continuous first order uh, partially derivatives. What is partially derivatives? Is nothing but only change is um, x substitute r and theta substitute y. Dou u by dou r is comma dou u by dou theta comma dou v by dou r comma dou v by dou theta can be satisfy the equation. What is Cartesian CR equation for what it is polar form? That is nothing but dou u by dou r is equals to 1 by r into dou v by dou theta, and dou v by dou r is equals to minus 1 divided by r into dou u by dou theta. It is also written as dou u theta r. Okay, dou u r is equals to what? 1 divided by r into dou v by dou theta is nothing but dou v theta. Is also written as dou v theta. Therefore dou u r is equals to 1 by r into dou v theta, and dou v by dou r is equals to minus 1 divided by r into dou u theta. Okay, and this is Cartesian form. We need to prove that. Okay, let prove this. What it is given? What is given? W is equals to f of z, and u is u of x comma theta plus iv r theta. Okay, this is also an equation 1. Given function is analytic function at z is equals to what? R into e to the power of I theta for a polar form. Okay, and then take equation 1. Consider equation 1. W is equals to f of r into e to the power of I theta is equals to u into r theta plus iv into r theta. This is equation 2. Just it is substitution of z. Okay, and differentiating equation 2. Take equation 2 and differentiating with respect to r, partially differentiation, and another thing is differentiate with respect to theta partially. Okay, first thing is differentiate with respect to r. Okay, f dash of r into e to the power of I theta, what will get? Only r will get 1, and e into I theta is nothing but it's constant. Okay, is equals to dou u by dou r plus I into dou v by dou r. And see here, and e into e to the power of I theta into f dash of r into e to the power of theta is equals to dou u by dou r plus I into dou v by dou r. There is no another chance to modify, so it will call as equation 3. And differentiate with respect to theta by partially for the equation 2, and it will become f dash of r into e to the power of I theta is nothing but what will get? R is constant. Okay, r is constant. Put take outside r, and e to the power of I theta differentiation is nothing but I into e to the power of I theta. There is ri into e to the power of I theta is equals to dou u by dou theta plus I into dou v by dou theta. See here, e to the power of I theta is nothing but f dash of r into e to the power of I theta is equals to 1 divided by ri. Just ri is sending to denominator about right hand side. Okay, and see here, 1 divided by ri and dou u by dou theta plus what it will 1 divided by I is there here, so I divided by IR, dou y, no, dou v by dou theta. Okay, and e to the power of I theta, what will remaining is there I into I square. Okay, and we have here another thing is I square into R. We have two i's. Okay, taking plus here I and I is cancelled, divided, therefore 1 divided by R will be remaining part. See here, e to the power of I theta into f dash of R into e to the power of I theta is nothing but 1 divided by R, dou v by dou theta, minus I divided by R, dou u by dou theta. This is equation 4. And equation 3 and 4 will become equate of 3 and 4. What will we get? Dou u by dou R, dou u by dou R. We have equation 3 is here. Okay, and 3 is here. What will we have on this equation 3 will substitute here, and equation 3 and 4 equate. What will we get? Dou u by dou R is equals to 1 divided by R into dou v by dou theta, comma, what will dou v by dou R is equals to minus 1 divided by R into dou u by dou theta. It is also written as dou u R is equals to 1 by R into dou v theta, and dou v divided by R is equals to minus 1 divided by R into dou u theta. Okay, this is an polar form CR equation for the polar form. And very important examination, it will be more effectively we get examination asked for 6 to 8 marks. Okay, which are Cartesian or polar form also asked. Only one theorem will be asked, and next class we'll do problems. Thank you.